Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. Today I will show you how to update the Among Us app on your mobile device so you never miss the latest features and bug fixes. So let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Google Play Store. Now tap on the search icon usually located at the bottom right corner and in the search bar at the top and type Among Us. Hit search. Now select the game from the search results. If an update is available, you will see the update button instead of play. Tap it and update will start downloading. Once installed, you can open the game and enjoy the latest versions. And yes, that's it. Now you know how to update Among Us on your mobile device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more gaming tips. If you have got any queries, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.